Rupashi, trusted for quality and service. From the heart of the capital city Dhaka, only about 15 kilometers to the south at Fotullah, Naranganj. This is the corporate headquarters of Rupashi Group, a one-stop knitwear manufacturer and exporter from Bangladesh. It offers the world market these very high-quality knit garments covering all items for men, ladies, boys, girls and babies in both fashion and casual categories. In fact, Rupashi is quite capable of producing any type of knitwear one might look for, but yet it claims to have an outstanding expertise in making apparel like t-shirts, polo shirts and tank tops, etc. The production base of Rupashi Group is situated on this well-developed industrial premise designed with all of the necessary infrastructure and amenities, including a guest house having stopover facilities for its buyers and guests. The group's 14 affiliates directly deal with fabric and accessory producing, dyeing, washing, printing, embroidery and garmenting. In the factory premise, a 4 megawatt gas burn captive power plant is the group's power supply backup, which is capable of providing uninterrupted power if necessary. A 120 cubic meter an hour capacity ETP cleanses the group's dyeing, washing and other industrial effluents, both chemically and biologically. Rupashi has established its own plants to produce international standard packaging materials to meet its export demands such as corrugated cartons and polybags. It has got necessary production facilities in the premises to produce sewing thread and other accessories as well. At its embroidering facility, Rupashi uses the most modern, high-tech embroidery machines. Every day, Rupashi can print about 12,000 kilograms in 12 colors, conforming to all specifications in all over flatbed screen developments such as reactive, pigment, discharge, burnout, etc. and about 60,000 pieces of garments in panel printing in all colors. ISO certified Rupashi is also accredited with the Oecotech Standard 100 Product Class 1. It conforms to RAP and several other standards that are lauded around the world for quality, efficiency, as well as for ethical and other good practices. For its nearly 16,000 employees and staff members, Rupashi provides transport facilities. Hygiene and personal safety are some of its topmost priorities. At its medical center, Rupashi has certified doctors and nurses to attend its employees' medical needs. Babysitting and childcare is part of Rupashi culture from its inception. Wages and other financial benefits are on time, invariably. Rupashi provides food allowances to its people. It has a prayer facility within the factory premise for its people as well. Rupashi is fully equipped with necessary firefighting equipment. It exercises evacuation drills on a regular schedule so that its people on floors can escape any fire incident if it happens at all, just within a couple of minutes. Yes, Rupashi believes an appropriate working environment is an indispensable prerequisite for attaining a higher level of motivation and productivity in carrying out its ultimate mission: garmenting. Designed with all contemporary and ahead-of-the-time factory specifications, its floors have 96 lines in a spacious accommodation of about 250,000 square feet of floor space. At present, it's producing 200,000 pieces of knit garments every day. To support this garmenting, using very carefully sorted fibers sourced from the world-renowned suppliers and with the latest as well as most dependable brand machinery, Rupashi produces numerous varieties of fabrics such as fleece, polo fleece, 1x1 and 2x2 rib, drop needle, interlock, single and double jersey, cotton elastane, rib, drop ribs, rib cotton elastane, PKs, engineering stripe, thermal, jersey twill, terry and many more. Rupashi dyes these fabrics at its in-house facility. Its intensive experience, expertise and the state-of-the-art technology result in clone-like uniformity in achieving the desired dyeing perfection. The shade of every lot of finished fabrics is verified with data color and brand color matching system. Following stringent quality inspection, fabrics are routed to the production floors. It's got the hottest simulated system for sample designing and development. Rupashi knows it must have to optimally minimize wastages of fabrics and other resources, and so it uses the most advanced CAD systems, and thus has successfully thrived to ensure the individual pieces of apparel it makes are the identical reproduction of the approved samples. All of its garmenting machines too are of world-reputed brands and have most contemporary support devices. It has got the special types of machines such as picot, fagot, press button of print, flat seaming, smoking, zigzag, feed off the arm and elastic inserting as well. The QC department of Rupashi now works to achieve an AQL level of around 1.5, but is targeted to reach virtually the zero rejection and redo level within a couple of years from now on. The apparel finishing section has thread blowing machine, steam press irons with vacuum tables, and several other equipment such as metal detector and the like. Posting its inaugural export to the tune of about $1 million in 1993, Rupashi shipped knitwear to its overseas buyers worth about $52 million in the year 2008. However, winning its buyers' trust, maintaining on-time delivery schedule with extreme professionalism, Rupashi has been exporting ever since its inception. Rupashi products are now on the shelves of the retail shops across North America, Europe and the rich and bustling markets in Asia, including Japan, Korea, China and the Middle East. They say the best things in life are free. The good life, it feel like Atlanta. Forever 21 is one of the largest and most popular fashion brands in the US and all over the world. Rupashi feels immensely esteemed that this top-notch fashion maker gets many of its knit clothing made here in Bangladesh by Rupashi regularly. Rupashi is proud to say that it has been producing many of these premium quality fashionable wardrobes even for BCBG Max Azria, a very renowned fashion designer and apparel marketer which operates in over 34 countries around the world. Silvian, another renowned buyer from Europe, also sources many of these fashionable knitwears from Rupashi. Yes, finest raw materials and accessories, instant readiness to reproduce any design and style, technological prowess, superb workpersonship, the ultimate quality that buyers look for, competitive price, on-time delivery and the global ethical obligation have put forward Rupashi Group in the forefront of meeting the diverse tastes and standards of the knitwear markets around the world.